The federal government is cracking down on the buy now, pay later industry in a bid to protect consumers from financial abuse. As political reporter Julia Bradley explains, companies such as Afterpay will be treated as credit providers under the new rules.
7 million Australians access buy now, pay later services, and the federal government says greater regulation is needed to prevent people from getting into financial debt. While companies such as Afterpay and Zip allow consumers to take goods home immediately, they lock people into paying for products in instalments over time. And while they don't charge interest, they do charge late fees if a customer misses a payment.
Well, we want to ensure that while there is competition and while there is innovation, that the harmful effects of poor marketing practices and poor lending practices don't impact, particularly on vulnerable communities.
Following a lengthy review, the federal government has announced buy now, pay later products will be classed as credit products, subjecting companies to the same responsible lender obligations under the Credit Act. Companies will be forced to check whether a product is suitable for a customer. There'll also be caps on late fees, and companies must have systems in place to deal with hardship claims and disputes.
We do applaud the government in this instance for coming up with a sensible option in terms of option 2, which we believe provides a sensible balance between consumer protections and minimum standards, but also provides for competition and innovation.
Financial commentators say the federal government has struck the right balance.
I think it is the best option for the consumer without it going too far and making these companies exactly the same as other financial institutions. On the other hand, it will add to their costs.
A recent report showed Australians spend $16 billion on buy now, pay later products each year. Further details on what this regulation will look like in practice will be developed in consultation with industry.